Myself Shania. I am from GC branch. Today I am talking about the topic of smart traffic lights for pedestrians. Smart traffic lights for pedestrians, innovative traffic control system that were designed and to enhance pedestrian safety and efficiency at crosswalks and intersections, unlike traditional traffic lights with fixed timers. Smart traffic lights for pedestrian advanced use to signal technologies and real-time is based on data, pedestrian demand and traffic condition. This is a prototype working. When more pedestrians are waiting, the lightings extend the green signal to allow a larger group to cross safely. By utilizing such intelligent systems, small traffic lights prioritize pedestrian safety and optimize traffic flow, providing more pedestrian and friendly environment in urban areas. The system smart safety and optimized pedestrian inclusion of sound displays helps reduce further enhanced the risk of accident. Some common components and material typically involved in smart traffic lights are traffic light housing, LED lights, sensor, control system, communication equipment, power supply, mounting hardware, and visibility enhancement. Advantages are enhanced safety, efficient traffic flow, cost and implementation challenges, encouraging walking, and integration of technology, environmental benefits, responsive to changing demands, countdown and display information, adaptive crossing pattern, accessibility. Conclusion is overall the pedestrians efficient of the aims concept of smart traffic lights to create intersections, promote transportation, development of an urban safer, achieve contribute mobility. Thank you.